In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook ads billing threshold. If Meta is charging your ad account too often, or you want better control over when your payments happen, adjusting the billing threshold can help you manage your ad spend more smoothly. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Ads Manager. Log into the Facebook account connected to your ad account. Then make sure you select the correct business or advertising account before making any billing changes. Next, open the main menu and go to Billing and Payments. This is where Meta shows your current balance, payment history, invoices, payment methods, and billing settings for your ad account. Inside Billing and Payments, look for Payment Settings. Once you open this section, find the area related to your payment threshold. Your billing threshold is the amount your ad account can spend before Meta automatically charges your payment method. Now, click the option to change or adjust your payment threshold. Depending on your account, Meta may allow you to increase or decrease the threshold directly from this page. Enter the new amount you want to use, review the change carefully, and then click Save or Confirm. If you don't see the option to change your billing threshold, it usually means your ad account is not eligible yet, or Meta is automatically managing the threshold based on your billing history. Newer ad accounts often need to build more successful payments before higher thresholds become available. After saving the new threshold, Meta will use that amount for future ad charges. This means your account may be charged when your ad spend reaches the threshold or on your monthly billing date, depending on which one comes first. Before finishing, make sure your payment method is active and has enough funds available. If Meta tries to charge your account and the payment fails, your ads may stop running until the balance is paid. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your Facebook ads billing threshold. This can help you reduce frequent charges, manage payments more easily, and keep your ad account billing more organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more Facebook ads, Meta, and digital marketing tutorials.